this is Bob Iacchino from Path Trading Partners. My partner, as always, is here, Mike Arnold. Quick update on NVIDIA, NVDA. We've got a pretty nice pattern setting up, and I just want to turn it over to Mike to go into the pattern. This one is going to have some rules to it, so if you're going to trade this, please pay attention. Mike, it's all yours. Wait until I finish.
Okay, great. Thanks, Bob. So here we have a chart of NVIDIA on a daily basis. This is a very well-formed double bottom trade. It's still a potential double bottom because we need to trade above this 109.19 mark. We did trade above it pre-market, so it's technically a confirmed double bottom. You can see this little red candle at the end is where we're currently trading pre-market. Officially, for this to trigger, it would need to be done on a closing basis, on a daily closing basis. For intraday traders, you can attempt to trade it from the long side above this 109.19 level, but remember, if it moves back below and closes, especially below the 109.19, it's not a confirmed triggered pattern that we will officially trade. Now, target area for this is going to be the 116.55 to 119 level. Minimum target is 116.55, maximum target 119. If it closes below this 103.06 level or trades below the 101.83, the trade is officially over once it has officially triggered. Again, this is a two-target trade just because of the gap up and then this big collapsing candle. Let's take a quick look at it on a weekly basis. Here's that prior high that we're going to be trading up into as the target. We also have the rising rotation zone with the 8 EMA pushing the price. You can see how it's been pushing it on this weekly basis higher consistently, and we have another push. So that's what we're looking for. There's nothing on a weekly basis to get in the way of this trade. It is only here to help. A rising tide lifts all boats. That's what we're looking for. One more time, back to the daily. We get a close above the 109.19. It is officially triggered trade. Stops on a closing basis below the 103.06. On a trade basis, if it trades below 101.83, it's also stopped out. And minimum target 116.55, maximum target 109. Let me turn it back over to Bob.
So for those of you that may be new to some of the jargon, a stop means where you're getting out if the trade is going against you. We're not going to just get out because it goes lower if this trade were to trigger. So what does Mike mean by a close above 109.19? That means at the end of today, the close of the day. If the price is 109.20 or higher, that will be an officially triggered trade. Now, if it trades during the day below 101.83, so if at any point in time it trades 101.82 or lower, you will immediately get out of the trade. When Mike says on a closing basis, if at the end of any day in the future after the trade has been put on, it closes, again, the end price of the day, below 103.06, you can get out either at the end of the day, the last few minutes, if you see it's obviously going to close below there, or on the open the next day. And then the target's very clear, 116.55 and 119 even. Thanks, guys, and we'll talk to you soon.